Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Charlie.
Hi guys, welcome back to It's Charlie's Time. I put together these 5 easy steps because I want to show you how simple it is for me to get Charlie to sit while getting her hair done. So let's begin. 1. Let her help. Charlie loves being a great helper, guys. She loves to help me bead the beater. Putting the beads on while I put them in her hair, she loves it. It works, it works, it works. Number 2, guys, these are strawberries. And this is Charlie's favorite snack. So I give her a snack, whether it be fruit, chips, or sucker. Give your kids a snack. Number 3, put on a movie or a cartoon. Charlie's favorite movie is Boss Baby. I'm telling you guys, she's watched that movie over 20 times. She simply loves it. Number 4, guys, did you know they have free audiobooks? They do. Put that on while getting their hair done and it's like story time. A kid favorite. Number 5, park day. What kid don't love the park? I promise Charlie, let's go to the park after. You don't pay any money. The parks are free. They love it. Add ice cream. At the end of the day, her hair is done. She's happy. I'm happy. And we have won. We won, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Success, guys. It sounds simple. It is. It's Charlie's Time. Please like, comment, subscribe, and also, guys, hit that bell because my next video is coming soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.